Hey friends! Welcome back to Quizerby.
Today's challenge is Choose Your Gift. Food Edition. 2 tasty treats and 1 unexpected surprise. Will your luck lead you to a delicious choice or a not-so-appetizing one? Choose wisely because some of these might surprise you. If you enjoyed the challenge, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's buzz in. Which tacos is tempting you? Which ice cream will you choose? Which donut looks the most delicious? What's your go-to drink? Which cake would you love to taste? Which noodle dish do you want to try? Which cupcake is calling your name? How do you like your coffee? Which hot dog looks the best? Which Happy Meal will you order? Corn dog time. Which one do you pick? Fries are life. Which ones are yours? What's your dream dessert? Which pizza will you grab? Choose a lollipop to enjoy. Which pie looks the yummiest? Movie night. Which popcorn is yours? Which fried chicken would you devour? Pick a popsicle to cool off. Cake Pops time. Which one do you want? Which gift meal would you love to receive? Pick your yummy meal. Are you a fan of yogurt? Which one? Which nachos are making you hungry? Candy lovers, which one is your favorite? Which cookie looks the most tempting? Which milkshake would you sip? Soda time. Which one are you picking? Which waffles look the fluffiest? Which pasta dish do you want right now? Which fruit bowl looks the freshest? Pancakes for breakfast. Which one do you choose? Which sweet treat would you love? Which burger will be the tastiest? Take lovers, which one would you dig into? That was a fun ride through some tasty and some not-so-tasty choices. How many times did you pick the bad dish? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun challenges. See you next time on Quiz or Bee.